Hello guys, welcome to a new video of us. Today we have a display opening video for you with a lot of displays. I have 2 displays for myself and then we have Eugen with 1 display, better than nothing. Sebastian has 2 displays and I think if you want to open some more he has...
You get more, no problem.
Yeah. Sebastian has infinite number of displays, so he already opened one. I think he had good ultra rares, but crap secret rare. Tesla's is crap secret rare.
Crap super rares.
And Raoul already opened 1 display for himself. I think it was a bad display, only Durandal and Sanctum are the good cards, but okay, I give the phone to Raoul and then we're going to open our displays.
Okay, let's work. Warum? Warum auf heute drin? Das ist scheiße.
Hat er jetzt das Englische?
No! Wonach? Glaube doch nicht. Nein! Oh, very good. Okay, good. Oh mein Gott. Ah, immerhin. Aber der Rasen los. Stimmt jetzt. Ist das Deutsche? No. Englisch. Nee, Vampire End. Crap super.
Fragt man nicht zu.
Keine Holo.
I think I pull only rare cards. Ah, super rare card.
Oh, best super. No! Crap. Buttercup.
Ah.
Schneller den Tester los.
Ah,
Ist okay.
kommen gleich beide gezogen.
Crap.
Okay.
3 season, 1 booster.
No, cows.
Every crap super red card.
But you have holo cards. I have only 1. I opened 6 or 7 boosters, I don't know. Oh!
Ah, über da. It's not a good display.
And Eugen.
No,
again.
Good super red. Oh.
Damn.
Ah. No engine for you. No engine for you. schon mal Ultra Rare.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One super rare.
Ja. Secret Rare.
Oh, Amaterasu again in secret. No, in Ultimate I have to place it of all 3 versions. Oh,
Sanctum.
yeah, no ultra for you. Yeah,
I
maybe.
have 3.
Okay.
This place okay.
Okay, it's my last English booster, and I got nothing. I think. Or? Yes. Crap.
Alright.
I think I have to pull some more holo cards. Only 5. That's a little bit less. Ah, I want crap holo cards.
Ab in die Rewe-Tüte. Schleichwerbung.
Nein, ich zieh nur Rares, ey.
Noch 2, 3 müssen wir noch haben. Eine Secret fehlt. Eine Secret hast du schon.
Ja. No crap holes. Crap display, I think.
Until you miss 1 ultra rare.
Only 7 holo cards.
Oh,
Very, very bad display.
Oha. Der Ulti rausgezogen. Das wäre okay.
I think that is the worst display I've ever seen in my life.
That's okay. And that's
Yeah, 2 cards from 7 holo cards.
I have
Great
only
job!
3.
How many holo cards do you pull?
8.
8. Okay.
Another display?
Not for you.
Give me the German. Why? Hä? Warum?
Okay, let's open the last.
Warte.
I hope that's actually. I hope so. I hope so much. I hope there's actually. Ah.
Musst du die mir schenken?
No. Okay, Booster Metal.
No, I don't think so.
What do you do? You bastard.
That's Maul.
Oh, okay, that's a good super rare. No, correct super rare.
No, it's okay.
Ah, oh.
Best secret?
No. I'm a dress again! It goes!
Junge!
Schon wieder ein Ghost.
Wie kann man nur?
Okay. Next good card.
Best super rare?
Forget it! Give it! Ah, you best. Der Beste. Dude. I hope into you. Ah. Mit Erik. Junge, fass mich an. Nein, Round Table. Shit.
Jetzt war, glaube ich, mein Display besser.
Ich zieh wieder nur. Ich zieh wieder nichts.
Mal gewinnt man, mal verliert man fast.
Alter, ich hätte fast nicht gesehen, dass das ein Super Rare ist.
Das ist dieser Krieger.
Das ist ja fast gesehen. Vielleicht ist mir das bei dem letzten Booster auch passiert.
Im letzten Display.
Hättest du es genommen?
Ah!
Fick dich.
Häng dich auf.
For you guys, you have to know that Eugen didn't want the German display and changed it for English display, and now Sebastian drew the Angeli in the German display, so I think Eugen is very sad now.
Minus meines Lebens.
Rande Minus. Ich habe wieder nur 3 Holo-Karten auf der rechten Seite. Rechts scheint nicht so gut zu sein.
Ich glaube, ich kaum noch Holo.
Nee,
Keine Ultra Rare.
gar keine mehr. Das war Ultras. Es dürfen gar keine Holes mehr drin sein.
2?
Roundtable müsste ich irgendwo rumziehen. Die lag mal hier, die Roundtable.
Ja, der liegt jetzt hier.
Ah.
Das ist Super Rare.
Okay, super rare again. And my last. I think it's a good pool.
Das ist so die Angeli.
Too much for you.
Ich nehme die Säuke. Wir werden uns schon einig.
Nein.
Ja,
Ja, ihr werdet euch schon einig.
ja. Sicher nicht.
Was ist los mit dem Booster?
Das wehrt sich, da ist Exciter Light drin.
Mindestens 2 davon.
Okay, I think it was a good pool. One last display.
I think we can play Sylvans now. Ich will den gar nicht rantauschen müssen. Das war genau die Figur, die ich nicht ziehen wollte. Nein, nochmal der.
Gib noch einen Booster.
Niemals. Rennen in der Hölle.
Das ist einfach für Jude.
So. That's a good display.
Second display that is not that good, as I hoped. How many ultra rares? 2.
Ah.
Maybe one.
I just hope for an Angeli. Would be great. No.
Schenk doch.
Ah. Sorry.
Ich wusste, dass das passiert.
Ich hätte es gehofft.
Last booster.
Der ist okay.
It's okay, but it's no Angeli.
One Ultimate.
I think it's better than the first one, but yeah, these two are nice. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, this one is great. Yeah.
3 displays.
That's the first one. That was the first one.
Wind blast.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that's it. We opened a lot of displays and some of us got the better pulls and some of us a little bit not that good pulls. Thanks for watch and like our channel, like us on Facebook, and I think we see you again.